All right. So, yeah. Does everyone have any questions on the intensity part? Hey, human beatbox, knock it off. Thanks. Does anybody have any questions on? Boy, make the guy a celebrity and he just feels like he can do whatever he wants. Just kidding. Just kidding. Yeah, question.
Oh, so it's just like R squared B over R.
Yeah, it's RB squared over RA squared. Okay, and because of the algebra shown accordingly. So look at the second part. Because if I cancel this, this becomes 1 over RA squared over 1 over RB squared. Okay, so what is B? What is the relative intensity of A? It's 10 log of IA over IO. So what I say is IA is equal to 1500 watts over 4 pi times, and the radius for A is 2 squared. So please calculate the intensity 1500 divided by 16 pi. Now IA was watts per square meter. Then IB is the same logic, 1500 watts over 4 pi, but this time it's 15 squared. Okay, so we know that one of these 15s will cancel with that. So that's 100. 100 divided by, so that's 100 is 25. 25 divided by 15 is 5/3. So that's 5 over 10. So it's around 0.53 or something? Okay, 0.5. All right. So this we get 0.53 watts per square meter.
Well, it's pretty easy.
Now, we take each of these intensities and plug them into this equation right there. 10 log IA over IO. So BA is going to be 10 log base 30 over 1 times 10 to the minus 12. And then beta B is 10 log of 0.53 over 1 times 10 to the minus 12. So calculate those two. This one's 134. This one's 135 decibels. 117 decibels. Yeah, IA should be, oh yeah, this should be IA. Yeah, that's IB. This is IA. So IA should be bigger than IB. So then what is this come out to be?
86.4.
Sorry, say that again?
86.4.
86.4?
What? No, that's the answer.
Yeah, what's the intensity?
I got 4.4.
4 times 10 to the minus 4? Watts per square meter. And does that make sense? Do you get that same number? Okay, so once again, we have to do from relative intensity to the different, like the one intensity to another, and then back to relative. So I use the definition of intensity to say that they're the same, and then from that, with the definition of area, surface area, I come up with this. This equation allows me to take the intensity of B, which I should know because I have the relative intensity of B, and get the intensity of A. So from the relative intensity of B, I get an intensity of this. I plug this into that equation up here, and now I get this. Is this the correct relative, or is this the correct intensity? Now I take this and plug it into this. The relative intensity at A is equal to 10 log IA over IO. So it's 10 times the log of 4.4 times 10 to the minus 4 over 1 times 10 to the minus 12. Plug all that together and tell me what you get. You got what? 86.4 decibels. So check and see if you get the same thing.